stick to, that they could use to get the pharmaceutical industry to better police where its drugs are going. They know where their drugs are going. So if they, the DEA, I think, could say, if you don't do a better job of policing this, we're going to reduce your quota to 0 or 50% or whatever. You're not going to be able to sell this many drugs. And believe me, they would pay attention to that. So we have that authority. Let's exercise it.
Okay, thank you, John. If anyone does have a question, please just